Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of iPrint3D, the official channel of PrintMyMini.com. We're doing a support demo for Bela, one of the Resident Evil daughters from the very early in-game where Mr. Winters encounters Alcina. And ultimately, we know what happens there, right? No spoilers here. I did want to take a few minutes to mention that we are doing a Halloween giveaway. From now till the 31st of October, we'll be looking for subs and comments that mention the phrase, "Give me my minis." If you subscribe and add a comment between October 16th and October 31st, you're entered to be randomly drawn to win one of two cool prizes from us. Check the description for a little bit more details. We will pick two winners to get a package for one prize and one other winner to get a much larger package. And those are both going to be pretty cool prizes. So, you guys should definitely sub and comment. Don't forget, the phrase is "Give me my minis." And again, I'll put the details in the description. Anyway, this is sped up about 1.5 times, so rather than bore you guys with the entire support process, I sped this up so you can kind of watch and check out the entire process from start to finish. Again, this character's name is Bela. This is a Digital Dark Pin-up's character. This is the Safe for Work edition, or this is probably Safe for YouTube edition, I guess. This is a bust. She has been reduced in size a little bit to the 100mm size. She's available in that size and also a little bit larger upon request. Anyway, without further ado, I'll let you guys enjoy some of the music and just check out some of the supporting. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you again real soon. Again, if you want to see more videos like this with some chill tunes and some supporting action, just give us a subscribe, comment, like, let us know what you want to see more of. Thanks again for watching.